This is the unboxing of the East Oak 12-inch pizza oven. It's for outdoor use and it's great for family fun. You're going to love it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Welcome to the East Oak family. Certificate of authenticity. And the 12-inch pellet pizza oven owner's manual. Warranty registration card and a card where you can uncover new tricks and join the East Oak conversation. The pizza plate.
The included pizza stone ensures even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly crispy crust every single time. I love how well this pizza oven was packed, how all things came together, and how easy they were to find.
The pizza oven.
It has a 3-layer insulation structure that helps maintain a stable internal temperature.
The pizza oven door.
The handle is super easy to install. The chimney is easy to install, and you can easily control the temperature and smoke levels, infusing your food with a delicious smoky flavor that cannot be replaced by gas grills. The pellet feeder shovel has an ergonomically designed handle and is very easy to use. This is the pellet burner shell that combines with the pellet box. Easy to use, easy to install. The handle is elegant and beautifully designed. They include all the hardware to make it easy to attach to the door. After you're using your pizza oven and it's completely cooled down, remove the chimney and cover it with the chimney cap. All the screws and washers that are needed are right here in the bag. The pellet burner shell is designed for easy installation and the utmost efficiency. Elegantly engineered, beautifully designed, and connects to the pellet box. The pellet box is designed to hold your fuel, and it's easy to empty and clean out when you're done. Very beautifully crafted and super easy to install. No more overcooked pizza. The East Oak pizza oven features a 3-layer insulation structure that helps maintain a stable internal temperature and reduces the risk of burnt. You will love this pizza oven.